major flooding. The furniture's all shut. Look at the watermark on the
So it was up to here.
Oh, that's the doors right there.
door. Shut. Oh, yeah, it's all the way up to here.
That door is the
How much
right.
higher the water was back here.